You know, yesterday's stream got absolutely demolished by the fucking stupid YouTube. I don't know if it was YouTube. It was like, it became a slideshow, my live stream after a while. Like, my live stream became I don't know why. And it actually pissed me off. I don't know if it was OBS. Wait, let me just check other streams to see if they had the same issue or it was just yesterday. Yeah, it seemed like just yesterday. Yeah, okay, it was just yesterday from what I could see. I'll put the blame on YouTube. Yeah, if you go to my yesterday's stream, wait, this is the current stream. You can see it here. Like, stuff is updating every once in a while. You can see, like, this is 2x. Oh wait, I thought this was 2x speed. I'll put it in 2x speed and you'll see that the frames are not updating. I'm speaking in the stream. I know that my sound is muted, but you see how you can see this is kind of ghost frames. It's this, like, the first part of the stream was working fine, but then you see, and it just starts doing this slowly. Then by the end of the stream, it was just, you see here I'm in the middle of writing, kind of weird. I don't know why. Let me just advertise the stream. It's the first time that I've seen it. Like, I usually review my streams, so for a moment I thought that I had a bug, but let's see if it doesn't happen today, or else I'll downgrade my OBS version, because it's the only thing that changed. It's my OBS version. I know that the specs of my computer are good enough, so no, I have 128 gigabytes of RAM, so it's not lack of memory. So DXsound loads. Right here. Okay. Here's the inline thingy. Oh wow. Wait, this is create DS buffer, right? Error, loading UAV file. Yeah, this looks like a totally different file. I mean, how big will be the game? How many gigabytes? Not gigabytes. Like, you can already see. Like, do you have the game installed on your machine? Like, this is very inflated size. It says 2 gigabytes because I have a lot of extracted files and whatever, but it's way smaller than that. Like, I have lots of duplicate files from, you know, reverse engineering and whatsoever. But yeah. Oh, open. Maybe I'll start with open, because there's no, yeah, okay, it looks fine. Yep. But I'm only doing the exe. So if you're asking just about the executable, you have it here, like 1 megabyte. That's basically it. So don't worry about the size of the game. It's literally the smallest thing. You know, the things that weigh the most in any video game is the assets. Only recently you started to get game executables, which are like 50 megabytes, 80 megabytes, or if it's like the Nuvu game, it will be the actual size as it will be a little bigger maybe because I have more code than the original game. Like I have validation code there. Yeah. A little confused about what the heck is this. Oh. This is so weird. Mm-hmm. Exactly, okay. A little confused. Hmm. This might be a little trickier than I thought. Okay, this is simple. How did I come up with these fields though? 15 milliseconds is enough for the frames to render. Speaking on the book is live from... Yeah. Like, you know that, for example, I play Counter-Strike. The game renders at 144 frames per second. That means that the game has basically this is 1 second in milliseconds. It's like this means that it has 6 milliseconds to render each frame. You see how crazy that is, right? Of course, that you cannot reach that many frames when you have lots of game logic. That's why a lot of times rendering is kind of decoupled, but that still doesn't make it infeasible. Super confused about this. This plus 64 really throws me in for a loop. Let me just... No, it's literally at 40. When I go here to init, I don't want to say easily run on 60 FPS, but so from what you linked, what the guy was saying was bullshit. That's what I want to say. It didn't make sense what he was saying. This is bounded, right? Okay. 127. I don't want to call bullshit, but what the guy was saying was bullshit. That's what I'm saying. You know, you could have a valid reason why it was not running at 60 FPS, but what the guy was saying is just nonsense. God, this is weird. I don't understand this plus 40 thing. There aren't that many entries. Why do I say this? Unload, right? Again. Why do I... So... Yeah, it makes way more sense. If all of these are either DXsound buffers. I think I just confused something. Can I undo this? Or okay. Perfect. So it makes more sense now, as you can see. Okay. So I fixed it. DXsound buffers. So I had an error yesterday and I had to fix. It's easier just do it this way. Of course, I could not figure out the fields yesterday because they did not exist. Okay, I can do this and make it valid. So GDX something. What the heck did I just do? What? Wait, I think I messed up big time. This is why Git history is so important. I did the wrong thing. Oh yeah, I added to the sound holder. Okay. Fucking hell, okay. Okay. So now this is fine. What? Oh yeah. There's a minus there. Spider. Nice. Okay. What's the name of the font? Yep. GPDS. It's kind of insane to see this here, but sure. Sound buffer v3. Get frequency. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I truly believe that. It's something like this. Makes more sense. Yes, error login quit. DXsound holder, A1. It's incredible, man. Every time I start streaming, that's when I start getting messaged. Okay, this looks really good. One error. Cannot convert from okay, that makes total sense. Because here I wanted to pass the sound buffer. Beautiful. Do 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 do. No. So B014. Nice. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Perfect. So yeah, this is already matched. So by the way, today I need to be smarter. If def wins 32, so I'll already prepare for the worst. And low. Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, not that. The get group thing might be. Wow. Please tell me that it got in line. It got in line. Didn't get in line. Wow, this function is insane. Looks doable, to be honest. But first things first. Okay, this seems simple enough. I don't think it returns anything. Yeah. I don't understand GCC demangling stuff. I'll just YOLO it. So this one with this one. DXsound. Release. Error, log and quit. Perfect. So regardless, DXsound buffers I 0. So this is the first part. Then there's the second part. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Hmm. So this is the address of that thing. Okay. Okay. So 4 times group different than 1. Okay. Alrighty, yo. This is exactly the same thing. I direct some buffer. Right, it's the exact same thing. It's literally this. Okay. I think it's something like this. I think the audio groups get group. Where is it from though? It's from DXinit. Okay, it's there, so I can build it. Void illegal with all types. DXinit. DXinit. 6, 4. Okay. Oh wow. It's really good. Looks good. Does it look good? Wait. Hmm. Why is this kind of separate though? Oh yeah, I realize my mistake. This should go here. Ah, it makes more sense. Yeah, okay, now it's better. Again. I think I made the same mistake twice. Yes, I did. Okay, now it makes more sense. Good, great. Okay, another one then. if def win32 and if load, right? Oh, parse UAV header, not UAV, WAV, but yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Come on, man. Hmm. Something tells me that all of this got in line. Yeah. Come on, man. Can I win this one? Load, okay. Wow. Does this code ever get executed? Like this part down here, right? The else statement. Wait, it does, no? Hmm. Where does this MMIO stuff come from? 'Cause I can't understand. Mm-hmm. Was it remove? Oh no. If else A3 set to 0. Wait, what the fuck is A3? Mm-hmm. Can see these free close. So partially header. Okay, it always. Okay, it's not simple. Okay. way more complicated than I thought. But enum controller callback. Perfect. Okay. Good. No problemo. Enum devices. Okay. Direct input enum device. Callback. I want to see an example of people using it. It's incredible. Oh, wait, I didn't read all the parameters. I put them here. So, to be passed with double flags, okay. Great. So it seems that nothing is passed, right? That's the thing that's scaring me. Create device. Why does it have two arguments, main? I think I have samples. Sprite decomp, DirectX, include. Fuck, I don't have the DirectX samples anymore. Fuck. They were godsend, those samples, I need to admit. Where did I have them, though? LP direct. Let's take a look at properties. Wait. 7zip open archive. Samples multimedia. Where can I put this? DX. Here are the samples. Great. I remember looking at them. That's why I. Hopefully they are still valid. Okay. So, enum devices. So direct input controller. Maybe it's this one. Okay, perfect. Enum joystick. Bowl. This is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted to see. So bool. So here we get the device. Oh, great. But now I can go here, direct X, include the input, DI num stop. Okay. On is okay, DI num, okay. Perfect. This code is so I know there's no context here, so oh wait, we already knew the type. For fuck's sake, it was only Ida that didn't know. Ah, okay. Come on, man. I wasted a little bit of time. Okay. Hey, answer. So gpdi create device. So p device qt instance. Exactly. 0. Okay. So if it's less than 0, we return di and continue, I mean. No need to keep enumerating. Di dev caps. So 0 size of v5. v5, the double size, it's size of v5. These are easy to evaluate. So G controller related, get capabilities, v5, nice. So here I need to do direct input, error log and quit. Perfect. So the number of controller buttons is given by PW buttons. The X input related, I have no idea what this is. Okay, it's byte. Okay, I'll need to take a look here, right? So it shifts right. Okay. Uh, let's look for the proper name of this thing. Come on, man. So type specific parameter. How can I find what it is? Okay, maybe I can look at the sample. I have this failed thing. Rep failed. It's really useful, not gonna. So DW flags. Okay, I need to look at it. Doesn't show up. What about documentation? Okay, here. Nice. So the get capabilities, okay, get capabilities method, yes. DI dev caps, yeah. Flags, okay. DIDC, okay, it's DIDC underscore. DIDC underscore, okay. It's this first feedback, okay, that I need to take a look. How would I write this? Let's see how it was written here. So it's the first feedback. Maybe I can do it this way. I can do it this way. I don't know if that's how they wrote it, but it's not incorrect. Create device cannot to const. So const struct GUI to const struct GUI the reference. What? Wait, are they saying this? Okay, exactly. That's what they were saying. Fuck, I have the sun shining on my eyes. Let me just lower. Okay. Perfect. Where is this? Here. No. They are swapped around. Yeah, these look really good. Maybe it's because the way I wrote it. I don't like this way. Maybe that's Boolean and that's been my problem all along. Yo, what the fuck? No. What? Why are these swapped around? Oh shit! I just realized something. Di enum stop. I just realized this is really important. I just realized that I'm not returning anything and it was not complaining. What? Why wasn't this complaining about that? Yeah, the Zori EX is super important. Enum. 14, 14. It's literally only here the difference. Maybe. Maybe if I do this, I'll completely change it. Warning is force invalid to. Performance warning. That's so cool to get the performance warning there. Doesn't change shit. Yeah, true. Okay. So maybe could be just this. Little weird to be this, but not out of pocket. Sometimes the easiest solution. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's literally that. It was literally that. Now it's a perfect match, right? Wait a moment. Oh yeah, great. This looks good. So if def wins 32, and if else return 0, and if good. So at least this can build without bothering me too much. Some matching, right? 9E 40 44. No. I use more locals. No. What do you mean? I see the exact same stuff than you. It looks like a perfect match. What am I missing here? Hmm. I don't see where that 44 comes from too. But yeah, it's matching regardless. Enum controllers cover. Enum controllers. There any more small to do? Git log. This load. I'll leave it be there. Maybe I'll revisit soon. Wow, so many. Build twiddle table, compute shift mask. Oh, Spidey DX shut down. Yeah, sure. Let me just take a look at that. Spidey DX shut down. It's a simple. See, it's a simple function. It's called by WinMain. Maybe it doesn't even exist, right? Okay. Wait, is wind main located in... I'm a little confused. So... wind main is indeed located in here. What the fuck? So wind main seems to be from here. Huh. Okay, this is not a big deal, to be honest. Not that dramatic. Yeah, okay, so... But the real question is... wind main? Okay, real wind... Oh! That's cool. Oh, perfect. It's actually really cool. Not gonna lie. I actually did a good job here. It knows that it takes no argument, so why does it have a funny error? PD exit peripheral. Good. PD exits. PCP. PCDC pad. Okay. PCDC pad. Oh, it looks good. There's no other place to check it besides real wind main. Oh. Oh. Here. Great. It looks really good. Parse command line. Is that even a thing? Yeah. Why? So debug said. Maybe I can go to build twiddle table. If you don't know, twiddle table is a thing for textures. So build twiddle. Fucking hell. Convert VQ. Oh. Okay. Makes sense. So it's basically inline here. So int pointer, great. Just get some music. Yeah, so this is the logic that I did. The twiddle table. You only need to run the game for a very little while to get this twiddle table, which is really cool. I think I just ignored the problem. Yeah, right here. I've got the pre-computed thing. Right over here. It's the Mozart brain sequence, but okay. Well, I think what IDE is doing is pretty much twice. Yeah, maybe unsigned might be a better idea. So this looks right. Usually the order is very well preserved, so Thank God this. So the issue, not really issue, is the XOR over here. So that's V6 and this. Okay, this is so far it's mostly copy pasting, which is really good. Okay, I need something. Wait, I need to check something on my server. Do. I forgot what the permission. Create invitation. Okay. Okay, so this is where it gets tricky, right? Why is it so complicated? What? Really? There's an extra? Mm-hmm. 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 Just want to get these to match as perfectly as possible, but I don't really need it, to be honest. I already have the table. But yeah, these overly math functions tend to cause this. This is fucking insane to get to match. The code is just fucking hard to read. Wait, are they different? Oh, they are. So G, twiddle table, I. So this needs to XOR something goofy. And then R with something, shift left by this amount. Okay. What's a shift left by EC? I don't know if I'm wasting my time by trying to get this one to match. So easy eye is V13. V12. Let's see if this works. No errors, please. I see something like this, right? If it's not matching, I'll try to get it. I'll try to validate it. Because it's not really worth my time. Get this to match. This is a known thing. Il twiddle. Let me go to diff checker. Pa, 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 da. Shift right, shift arithmetic right. Why is my arithmetic? Oh yeah, true. True, okay, so I already have a bug. I don't think it's that tragic bug. Because I don't think the numbers will ever be that big for it to matter. This got in line, so it's hard to say. Indeed. I can check whether this is fine or not, right? Wait, what is this? Okay, whatever. Void, validate, twiddle stuff. Void. Yikes. Okay, this is quite easy to do. So spite DX. DXH. If my code is not correct, it will show in the data. Main, and I think it's worth more my time to do this. That thing not matching is not really problematic. I already know what it does. I try to get it to match another time. Tweezle stuff. Yoink. This is a pre-computed sequence. Or should I just extract it from the game? I can extract it from the game. I'd say it will be correct. I don't know if my sequence is correct. Imagine that if I have like 2 bugs. I'll go, yes. So this is a pretty simple thing to do. Just need to start this guy as administrator. So you're going to take his sweetest time. Fuck, I need... Okay, I removed the sound from the game. I don't know why it's taking ages for the thing to start. Okay, good. Now, touch here. I remember that X64 debug. I'm dumb. Something, save data, okay. Decide the address, so it's this, it's just, okay, this is easy, okay. So this is good enough for me to go here. First of all, I need to go to the twiddle table, come here, yoink. I can only really assess that when it's in line, because, okay, perfect. I can do save data, save data. What was the first argument again? File name, okay, perfect. And the size, it's this, right? Not 10,000, X. And I think it worked. I think it did. Yeah, okay, written to, okay. So if you're wondering where it goes, nice. So let's just open HXCD. I know that it can export this at a C structure. Wait, I think it's something goofy like... Wait, it exported more, no? Oh, no, okay. Now this is export C. I have no idea what just happened, right? Why did it? Wait, did it export it there? Oh yeah, right here. 25 kilobytes. So I'm not always doing this goofiness. Let's take this out of the function too. Doesn't need to be here, for fuck's sake. Okay, so we can do U8 twiddle game. And if so Good. Uh, okay, this looks good. Oh yeah, I know exactly the problem. I forgot to do this. Now it's going to work. Fail validation H. What? CPP. Extern I32 fail validation. Okay, it works. It matches. So the validation succeeded, which is good. I can just go here. Fuck, printf. I can just go here and put this. Run it. Okay, perfect. It does work. So I cannot okay, I can close the game. It's been open for a while for no reason. Calculate and twiddle. Compute mask shift. What the heck? Are these all weird things? Ah, the meat map thing. Alrighty-o. So this is another one that will be in line. So line. Okay. Uh. Shit. Check. Oh. That's meat map offset. Can definitely check this one out. What the heck? Okay. Yeah. This is basically. Oh, float. You long, you long. Alrighty-o. So I-32. Yeah, okay. Maybe this will be the last for today. Is only did 6. I only did 6 today. Nah, crazy. Wait, git log. But yeah, I spent quite a bit of time trying to get it to match. Still have a lot of time. Okay. So if A1 equals 1 and A2 equals 1, then this just return A3. But if not, it's a little more complicated. So map offset A1, A2, A3. So that, and then let's see how this handles it, right? It will probably give me some warnings, but they are not that dramatic. I think the reason this function did not get inlined, it's because its recursive nature. I might be wrong though. Looks good here, looks. This top part looks good, but this bottom. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ah, this is important. So it never becomes how do I say never becomes a float, that value. No, but I still see the fucking F add there. There should be no fucking F add to do this operation. Very nice. I think this is matching now. Let me go on diff checker. Easier just to do this. That's how the comp me also works. It does like diff check. Yep, perfect. This is matching. So okay, matching map offset. Git commit map offset. Display device setting. Where does this? Ah, makes total sense. Hmm. You take a look at it later. What was the other file with lots of small to-dos? I forgot. Not Spidey. It was DXinit. Okay, exactly. I'm in the wrong file. Okay. Did I commit this already? DXinit. At current resolution. Nah, I can see. Oh wait, this one over here. What the heck? Okay, I can understand what's. Display mode, context. G display mode context. Okay, good. Oh yeah, my bad. Let's do this one. Do. Oh fuck is okay. Anonymous 4. Looks wrong. Video mode. It's so weird. Can I get the fucking raw data here? It doesn't show me the fucking raw address. Can get it through here. Sometimes IDA is okay. So what? Okay, it's showing on the other following dump. Selected. No. So 6P59F0 minus the 58. We just do this. It's pissing me. Okay, it's way easier to read it like this. Okay, this is a weird ass function, not gonna lie. Didn't expect me to take this long, but what's the name of the thing? DD surface to screen. Can I get a proper thing with offsets? Direct 3D9. No, this is wrong. Exactly that. There's like a bunch of weird stuff. So DirectX include direct draw, I guess. This surface. DirectX includes um draw H. Okay. And the correct file, what the fuck? Okay. Dummy. Okay. Right. Hmm. Hmm. So if 58. What's the size of these though? Size. Need to finish the stream. Jesus Christ. Need to eat my dinner. 124. So 127C. I'm just brute forcing this now. I got 24. 18. Well, shall be surface. So 18. Is not? What? I'm so confused. Got 54. Yeah, I guess that's correct. Let's do this and I'll eat my dinner. So display Get next color depth. I thought it would be easy, not gonna lie. Maybe. Oh yeah, 16 times 4. 84. Okay. I'm so lost. Oh yeah, let me put this here. What is... Wait. I just... Okay, that's how I name these things. Come on, man. So, okay, so that's only if it's bigger. Okay, this is like... Get me the biggest bit depth. All built. 6 errors. True. Nice catch. My bad. True. Just this size, right? Great. Hmm. Hmm. Can it turn on the light? Get next color. That fucking heck. Okay. That looks fine. Mm-hmm. This way. Hmm. Yeah, because this is being like shuffled around. Hmm. Okay. That also happens. Mm-hmm. What if I just swap them around? Is that enough? Why can I get this shite to match? Looks good. Hmm. Hmm. Like I want to I want this to match, but I don't know why it's not matching. Please something goofy like this. And it could explain that weird code gen. Little better, but maybe like this. So, second, something like this could work, no? It's a little stupid, but I guess if they wrote it like that, it will generate this type of. Okay, let's... Wasn't this how it was before, though? Hmm. Ah. It's quite interesting because it knows that EDI has that value, so... Hmm. I know that this is not the proper way to do it, but if I do it, I'll most likely get it to match. Or no, I will definitely break everything next. Yeah, I just completely fucked up my dinner time because of this, but I'm curious now. Yeah, okay. The volatile just made it worse. Hmm. Interesting. Could it be something simple like this? I'd be laughing my ass off if it was all this time something like this. It goes straight to XOR. Mm-hmm. What the heck? Why does it do it this way? Hmm. Totally goofy to do it this way, but my god. It's 20 too much, for fuck's sake. Match, please. Get next. Color there. Nope, didn't help. It's basically the same scheiße. Mm-hmm. So, yo, this is absolutely wrong. Should just be like this, but it's not working for. Or I let the PowerPC version convince me too hard of this. It's -1, do that. Yes. Okay. That looks fine. But man. Get next. Maybe I should just stop the stream for today. I'm not going nowhere. Kind of. I improved it a little, but could be that the difference is something as simple as this. I should look at the then it's this. Okay. Next color. Oh my god, I got it to match. I got it to match. It was literally that. It was the move thing. Did I get it to match? I don't think so, to be honest. I think with this, it will be a perfect match. So I didn't know there was a get previous color depth. Okay. So EDI on top, EDI. I got this to match. This feels so good. So DX in it. Yeah. I did way too much, man. Okay. So if I generate this, yeah, looks just right. Oh my god. DX init get max color depth. Its status. Yeah, today was I don't know why I was not as productive today. Little bummed out by that, but it was good regardless. I direct sound buffer. Yeah. It should build now. No problems. But yeah, it's good to see that this built successfully. And now I can push. Spent quite a bit of time trying to get stuff to match today, but I don't know. I feel it's worth to get stuff to match. Exit, closing debugger, nice. So what else do I need from here? Nothing. Okay, CD can go away. HXD, I mean. Jeez. So these are the commits for today. I was happy with this one. Yeah, this is great. This is me looking for how does it work. Yeah, this was super simple. None of these were too hard to do, to be honest. I don't know why. 400. Oh yeah, I understand. Oh yeah, I remember. It was the twiddle table. Twiddle table was the one that took me the longest. I was being super duper careful and But yeah, it's validated, which is more important. I'd prefer it to be matching, but yeah, like between this, like 3, 4, 12 minutes. Oh, this also took a while. This was much more quicker. Twiddle table, yeah. Twiddle table today took like 30 minutes, even though it's an easy function, but I just wanted to be super duper sure. Yeah. Yeah, this one took a little. Yeah, okay, not much, 8 minutes, but yeah, twiddle table. I wanted to be sure because I think it paid off in the end. But yeah, and I added validation for it, so at least. Okay. Can Windows... Oh, okay, everything succeeded. So yeah, I'd like to remind everyone that I have a new blog post. Now I'll need to eat my dinner. I'm kind of tired today. But yeah, have a nice one. See ya. Bye.